Lesson 3. What do you know about water? Track 54, Exercise 2. Listen, number, say and write. Part 1. 1.
To do this experiment, you need a tall glass, a fresh egg, tap water, salt and a big spoon.
2.
Get the glass and pour in tap water until the glass is half full.
3.
Measure 6 spoons of salt and add them to the water.
4.
Put more water into the glass slowly and carefully. Don't mix the fresh water and the water with salt in it.
5.
Carefully put the egg into the glass of water.
6.
Now watch what happens to the egg.
Part 2.
Salt water is denser than tap water. If water is dense, objects can float more easily in it. We know fresh eggs usually sink, so if you put an egg into the glass, it sinks through the tap water. But when the egg comes to the water with the salt in it, it stops. It stops because the water is dense. And if the water is dense, the egg can float in it.